All right, today we're out here in Illinois doing hail damage. We're going to do a little what's in my bag or what's in my cart for hail damage. We're going to show you the setup and everything like that, lights I use. I just got done fixing the roof on a vehicle, so my cart's not super organized, but kind of check it out and I'll show you what we're working with. Thanks. A little step ladder we use to write quick estimates. There's a little batteries charging. Got my little kneeling pad, and underneath that, my hood stand. Nothing's organized. I just got here 3 days ago. So, quick bench so you can get on big roofs. My TDN extra large cart with all my fancy tools on there. A little hot box. I use that thing every single day. Brace tools. Dent craft. I got all my whale tails over here. Standard whale tails, large A1 dent craft. Here's my sharp tools I use for doors a lot. PDR finesse tools, Mark Circus rods. Dent craft hook tools, I use those a lot for taking belt mountings off, getting little slots to get top of doors. Use those a lot for that area. Well, my little glue tabs, sorted tabs. I think those are the dead center pull Kiko tabs. They're pretty good. Work very well. Laka, the big triangle, worked great as well. I've had those since 2016 and they work great. Crease tabs for doing hail, use those as well. On rails, work very well for rails. Keep that for denatured alcohol. It's got a magnet inside of it to stick to steel roofs and so it doesn't roll around. Release the glue. And my little tab caddy with all my different tabs I use on one particular rail today, and my slide hammer. Got that from TDN Tools over in UK. They ship really fast. I got it back in 16. I switched over to this mini lifter and it works pretty good for my A1 and my Kiko. Got that. I like that little blending hammer. Edgy Tools little, I don't know what you call it, knocker or whatever. Works pretty good. A little standard piece of crap blending hammer, works decent. Use this one for knockdowns. Been using it since day one. I love it. Another little piece of crap hammer. It's alright. I don't use it too much. I don't really like the handle on it because it kind of just not comfortable in my hands. All my little tools, R&I tools, pick tools. I use this for belt mountings. This is great to get belt mountings off, especially on Toyotas and Dodge and Mopar. Belt mountings works really well. Use this for GM interior trim panels. Freaking fantastic. Great tool, great tool. Another little snap-on. Extra long trim panel tool. Works pretty good. There's your part number if you want to get it. If you get extra leverage. Got quite a few of these things. There's another one that works great for getting like Honda clips off of fender liners and getting bumpers off. That works great for that. Little pick tool for aluminum hoods and whatever you want to use it for. They're okay. They're not like as great as everyone says they are, in my opinion. I think the circus rods are better, but they serve their purpose. So I've got them back in like late October off of Francisco Canales Dent Warehouse tool truck. He is awesome, dude. That is a magnet in case you lose like a socket or a bolt down a door or something. Works great for getting that out of fenders as well. I use these to mark the car up, doing estimates for hail. Way better than the other ones. They wipe off super easy. Door wedge. I have multiple different style door wedges. Those are the ones I use a lot. More brace tools, edgy hookers. Extra large whale tail. Got different lengths for getting up in fenders and pickup trucks. Get all the way in the back of the fender. Works really well for that. And roofs. These are PDR finesse. Use these to get up in cell panels on cars. They work amazing. Getting up in there on cell panels through the taillight pocket. Got some other tools in here. My little drills and impacts. use them a lot for R&I, obviously. Different socket sets. I only use Snap-on sockets because nothing's better than that. Here's magnetic ones. 10 millimeter, 7 and 8 are must-have magnetic sockets. Get them off Snap-on truck. They're freaking amazing. I lost my Snap-on socket, so that's why you see these little black trays, because I had to get new ones. So these are great for the eyes, man. Keep the eyes fresh. Gotta have them. What we got here? Sanding. 1500 and 2000. I mostly use the 2000. I hardly ever use 1500. I don't think I ever use it. Use those a lot for big, giant, deep held dense sanding blocks. Got a couple of those just in case I lose one. You see all my little knockdowns. I use that for mounting camera, phone. Pretty cool. Little stucky light. Different tips, sharp tips, blunt tips. I mostly use super sharp and R4 cherry tips. That's pretty much all I ever use for hell. Well, golf ball, just for fun. Don't even know why it's on there. A little edge jack works good for edge panels. Monkey bar. Man, these things are a must-have getting on for roofs, for doors. I got 2 of them. That way I can have it on each front and rear door on each side, so I can just switch back and forth real quick. Super great. And this the Gorilla bar on the back of SUVs and pickup trucks through the back window. Works great for that. Squeegee in, obviously, writing estimates, line board. I got that from Mobile Tech Expo a few years ago. Got ripped off and paid like $80 for it. Another Stucky light. I got 3 Stucky lights. They're, in my opinion, the best mini light. I really do enjoy them. Little Kiko mini lifter. I don't really like that piece of crap. Dent dial. I got it in there. I use it every now and then. Works when you need it. Multiple door glass. Oh, this thing's freaking fantastic for doing hell dents on top of edge of doors. Open the door, jam that thing in there, and you can get all kinds of good angles. And this is a piece of crap I got from, I forget, it sucks. And there's my tool bag for all my pliers down there. I got my sockets up here, glue, anti-static polish cleaner I use before I fix any dents. It makes it perfectly clean. It's amazing. My little buffing compounds, my glues, all kinds of glues I got. Little Tabwell Fire Pink. I'm not a big fan of bubble gum for some reason. I don't really use it that much. I haven't tried those yet. The black Anson is pretty much all I use in Colorado or when it's cold. Or the black glue from A1. It's the best in cold temperatures. I even tried the white glue, Snowflake. That stuff's trash compared to that. Here's my jump box. Everybody's got to have a jump box. I've lost like 3 of them. This is my 4th one. Heat gun. Got to have a heat gun. And a torch. Got to have multiple torches as well. Buffing stuff. Buffing. Little Snap-on Ethos Edge tool scanner. I wouldn't really say a must-have. I haven't made my money on it. I've had it for a couple of years, and insurance companies just don't ever want to pay to do pre and post scans. They just don't, and unfortunately, so yep. Got my long needle nose pliers, small ones. I use these all the time. Got my let's see. Rivet gun for putting belt moldings on Toyotas. Plastic rivet gun in case you ever need that for Mopar. Rewiring something in case you rip wires apart on accident. You got to solder them back together and do all that fun stuff. I keep them all in my little bag here. Heat gun. This is for deep stretch dents. It's the Power Pro PDR I use. I got it back in May 2019, and it works really well. Something you hardly ever need, but when you do need it, it's awesome. Truly is awesome. It's really expensive, but it's worth having. If you're going to be working on deep dents, big dents, which is pretty much all I work on, just because that's the way hailstorms have been falling since I've started doing this, you're going to need one. I mean, it's simple as that. Just get one. Power, and it's magnetic. Boom. Use a little electrode tip. About to show you that, and you just kind of go around in circles around the dent, and it works really well. So a great ingenious idea. I have 4 PDR hell lights I use. I got 2 from Drew's Tools. The multicolored Robo Light, the 48 and the 42, I think. I don't really know what they're called. Shoot. And then I bought these 2 lights this past year in 19, just for extras. I don't know who makes this. Yeah, those people. I got it from Francisco Cornela's off his tool truck. And then I got another A1 little small light. They all work great. I use all 4 lights all the time.